Everybody, it's Kate Reto here, still from Abbottabad, Pakistan. So for today's video, tara, samahan niyo ako. I'm gonna take you to the local market. So we're gonna be going to the parang the main place, the main plaza here in Abbottabad, Pakistan. So ayun, excited na ako. Let's see what's waiting for us. I didn't ask much about the place because I wanna be surprised as well. So I just asked Hamza to just take me whatever he thinks that I need to see. So ayun. So let's go. Everybody, good afternoon from India. Kate Reto here. So for today, good luck ko pala ako si Mama Mary. Good afternoon. Yes. Let's go na. Umpak. Gagi, oh. Tapos na ako. I just finished going to the mountains, hiking. No electricity, no AC. It's that time na mag-ayos. In the last 2 days, mukha na akong hindi maintindihan. So we're going now. Today is a beautiful day. Diba? Koreana yan. Ulo ka. Chares. O, diba? Kala mo, tatay mo lang, diba? It's like your father. Let's go, Koreana tayo. Ang atake natin today. For today's video, 2 polis yung kasama ko. Kala mo, sino? Gagi, sa Malabon nga, walang pakialam sa akin mga kapatid ko eh. Pag lumabas ako, sabihin pa, huwag ka nang babalik ha. Sa Pakistan, Diyos ko yung security mo, kahit saan ka, 24/7 ha. Kaya take note, it's 24/7. Ay, the driver is driving. Meet the Jadun. He's also a police officer. If you watch my TikTok video, yung 1, 2, 3 para-paraan. Nilaro yung police mommy. Pag ako pinusas nito talaga. Talab-lob siguro nito. Parang don't worry, I'm saying good things. Yes. Oh, let's go everybody. Let me show you a beautiful place. Yung how the basta pakita ko na lang yung lugar. I'm gonna show you the beautiful place of Abbottabad. Hindi siya Abbottabad ha, Abbottabad. Silent O, Abbottabad, ganon. Hala, ang saya, gusto ko to. Hinabol ko talaga yung sunset, mami, kahit paano. Dapat kahit paano matamaan ako ng sunset. Ganda. Bye-bye. See you later.
Okay, I see.
For the try ka na. O yung security ko, alam nyo ba, he's also enjoying this. We asked him so many times. Because I'm so shy nga because, diba, he's not allowed to go, by the way, he's not allowed to go home, he's not allowed to remove his uniform, even when he's sleeping. Nakakaloka, diba? That's why I almost, decided to leave because I just want him to feel relaxed as well because he has family also. Kakaloka. Ganyan pala talaga yung buhay ng mga police, militar. You will have to leave your own family to protect someone else. Ay, ganda nun. Parang ang ganda nung sinabi ko na yun.
While going to like main bazaar, we can stop for like 30 minutes over there.
Okay. Okay, so we're gonna be taking you to local market, dinner of course. So ayun. Everybody, so just to let you know, alam mo, parang nakalimutan ko mag-highlight sa kabila. Ay, hindi pala. Okay lang pala. Meron pala. So, it's gonna be like 20 minutes away from where I'm staying. Again, that's Galyat Hotel. Owner is really kind. Facilities needs some work. But overall, for budget travelers, if you just need a place to sleep, yung shower, okay naman. You're not gonna have a problem with that. They have clean washroom. Facility-wise, just okay? Oh, by the way, let me tell you before we continue with this vlog again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification buttons on para naman tuloy-tuloy ang ating traveling and Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. I-support nyo na, i-share nyo na because this is the Pakistan season 2 at hindi ko kayo bibigoin. Bubugbugin ko kayo ng bugbugan na vlog. Trust me. Everybody, the sunset is sunsetting. Iba talaga yung mukha ko sa sunset. Everybody, I would say it again and again, Abbottabad is so clean. Just so you know, ay natin naman ang Abbottabad Club. Mukhang dyan yung mga elite. Diyan nakatira yung mga talaga namang yayamanin. Ang ganda ng Abbottabad, di ba, mommy? Comment down below if you agree with me. I really like it when everything is busy, rush hour. Before I don't like it, but when I'm traveling, it actually gives like more flavor for me. Super high naman yung mga shaw sa akin. Gulat sila pag nakikita nila ako. Oh, see? Titingin ulit siya. Ay, hindi na. Oh, ayan na. The traffic is trafficking. Kakaloka. Local market, everybody. Is this a local market?
Yeah.
Ay, tara may Allied Bank. Okay. Sige. The traffic is trafficking naman talaga.
Everybody is thinking that you are Chinese.
Yeah, I know. Sometimes Korean or Japan. Only 3.
Yeah. Nobody knows like if you're from Philippines.
Yeah. It's always like, always Chinese. China number 1. Korea is the second one. And then Japan is number 3.
Checked as well.
Huh?
You can actually get your iPhone checked as well.
Okay, sure. That's
about the
amazing.
SIM and
Yeah, let's do that.
But first you will show this.
Yeah. But we have to walk, okay?
Yeah, I am just parking.
Okay. Okay, we have arrived. So we're just gonna find the parking and then ayun na yun. Hala, the good-looking guy in Pakistan is unlimited. Everywhere you go, everywhere you look, masakit sa puson. Charas, kala mo may puson. Sa ulo ka kay Toretto. Hi everybody, we have finally arrived here in the Abtabad local market. Yeah, Abtabad local market. So let's go. Let's explore it. Ang unfair, no? Nung pinanganak mo yung mga gwapo tsaka magaganda, Pakistan lahat ng umano. Ang sumalo. Kay Level Up kay Toretto, Pakistan Season 2. May cameraman. Gusto mo yan? Ang tayo naman ng polis talaga. Grabe yung treatment ko sa Pakistan, no? Kuya, ang saya. Gusto ko to. I really fix myself so I can do this today. Hindi pwede di ako maganda sa local market. I need to look good. Ay, may mga pa-bling-bling. Mamaya ka sa akin. Mamaya yan, babalikan ko yan. Mangga. Let's start with wait, what's that? Alam ko na yan. Let's start with the juice. Ano? You know, sometimes I'm thinking kung anong iniisip ni police officer. Dinadrag ko siya kung saan-saan. Let's try this. For the sake of vlog, let's do this. Let's try it. Ek. Salam. Ek. Ek, yeah? Okay. Ek, yeah. Ek. How do you call this? Ha? How do you call?
इसका नाम क्या है?
Lemon soda.
Guti na lang talaga, meron akong translator. Camera mo na. Ay, di ba sa'yo ba kayo? Happy ba kayo? May season 2 of Pakistan, may translator. Pumutok siya. Ay, Dan? Ang bilis naman pala. Magsiseta pa ako ng light, tapos na siya, mami. Wait lang. Okay, syukriya. Syukriya na lang. Itinakbo yung soft drinks. Syukriya. Okay. Let's have a taste. Hindi ko naman ito iinumin. For the content lang to. Kasi nakikita ko to sa Islamabad. Always. So for today's video, we're finally trying it here, the busy streets of Abbottabad local market. Ganon. Gwapo. Ang gwapo nang dumadaan, shocks. Ano yun? What's that taste?
It's lemon and soda.
Like a powder, with the powder?
With salt.
May salt. Di ko maintindihan yung lasa. Why? I don't understand the taste. Di ko magets yung lasa. Yeah, it's a complicated taste. Bakit? Ano yun? Or I don't know where Set mo yung nasa kaliwa. I-set mo yung nasa kaliwa, mami. I don't know what we're going. Where we're going? Afghanistan yan, I'm sure. Mata pa lang eh. Ay, okay, let's do it na lang. Where's the bet? What's this? Oh, sabi, naguluhan na rin siya. Uy, ang ganda ng lugar nila. Hawak ko yung phone ko. Ay, sabay po tayo maglakad. Tara po. Okay, let's go. Grabe na makatingin si kuya sa akin. Nay, Chinese, Nay. Chiniching-chang nila ako. Hindi ako Chinese. I'll stick with this angle. Keep it right angle. I smell food. Hoy, I can smell food. Oh, see, I told you there's food. Magnet ako niyan. Mamaya na yun, mabigat sa tiyan yan. Diyos ko yung nagtitinda ng sapatos, nakikita nyo ba? Iuwi ko sa Pinas yan. Hoy, ang sayo naman ng local market dito. You know, I will just stay Abbottabad. Ang saya, hala. It's like you're in the Philippines, but just different people. Hello, kaya hale. Take care, siya. Ay, tatamaan si Tata. Tatamaan siya. Okay, whew. Ako yung kinakabahan. Sorry. Ay, ano yan? What is this? What is this?
Salty.
Salty? What's inside? Chicken? Nay.
It's kind of a biscuit.
Ah, okay. Shukriya. No biscuit po na. Mabigat sa tiyan kasi we're gonna have dinner. To everybody who doesn't want to see my face. You're happy now because it's a lot of back shot. Okay. Kuya, salam. Nagulat ako kay tatay. Shoot. Nagulat ako. Kung ako babae lang, eto yan. Hindi ko pa rin naiintindihan yung lasa ng ininom natin kanina. Naiwan dito yung lasa. Hindi ko siya magets. Ayun yung kailangan ko nakaraan. Nabili ko na yan eh. Nag-contact lens ako tsaka nose line para makaabot naman tayo na konti sa mukha ng mga Pakistani. Dahil pangu ako dito. Hi. Ang saya, no? Dami nakikita. Can we go straight first? Yeah, I like that. Kuya, ang saya nito. Shukriya. Mamaya yan sa akin. Actually, kailangan ko yan. Actually, gusto ko yung mangga. Magmamangga. We're gonna buy mangga later. Hoy, the meat shop is meeting. Beef pat, oh, salam. Sarap ng beef pat. Just watching. I'm just watching. Yeah, I am from the Philippines.
You're looking so cute.
Oh, thank you. Ang cute ko daw. You're beautiful.
Thank you.
Ang ganda ng mukha nito. Nice meeting you. What's your name?
My name is Rida. And what's your name?
Kay.
Kay?
Yeah, my name is Kay. Kay
What is your
Toreta.
language?
Filipino or Tagalog?
Sorry, where are you from?
The Philippines. Philippine.
Philippines.
You know Philippine?
Check.
You know?
Speak in Urdu?
Nene. Tore.
Pakistan कैसा लगा?
No, tore only. Hindi ko siya masusundan, sorry.
Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you. Parang gusto niya makipag-shake hands but no, not allowed. Tayo na yung mag-distance because they might not understand. Sabi niya, you looking so cute, mami. Ang ganda-ganda ng mukha niya. Mangga. O, tala mo magtingin na tayo ng mangga. Okay. It's good. Wait, it's good? How much? Huh? This is good, but not too soft. It's so soft. Like little more fresh. Parang. I think later, no? Because we're gonna... It's okay. We will come back maybe, yeah. Shukriya. Ang gwapo, no? Ito maganda yung mangga niya. Kaya siguro 150 doon. Medyo malambot na siya. Okay, now I get it. Nakikita niyo ba yung tsura ng mga nagtitinda? Mami, artista na lahat sa Pinas yan. Shukriya. Hindi ako makaget over sa sinabi ng magandang bata. You're looking so cute. Nabibilang niyo pa ba kung ilan yung gwapo dito? Ito maganda. Ay, ang dami naman. Salam. Smile. Ay, Diyos ko sa batang ito. Nagulat ako sa bata, mami. Assalamualaikum. Kya hali. Sorry naman ng pa-shop na yan talaga. Ah, sorry po. Sorry po talaga. Where is the gun shop? Okay. Kaya may pupuntahan kaming gun shop. Bahala kayo dyan. It's open, yeah? Salam. Ang saya. Uy, nagkakagulo dito. Ang saya. Gusto ko to. Where? Ah, left daw. Okay, I just follow them. Meron akong ano. Gusto ko yung may nagbabasa ng diary sa likod. Nakikita nyo ba yan? Gusto ko yan, oh. Salam. How are you? You busy? It's okay. No, it's okay. What is this?
What is this? Feet and sugar
Sweet?
and bhagwan.
Sweet?
Sweet.
Let's try this. Can I try? But please taste. Taste na lang daw. I don't know what is this, but how do you call it again?
Yeah, 20 rupees.
How? What's the name? What's the name?
Bhagwan.
Pokwan. Oh, it's called Pokwan daw. 20 rupee. Okay, we'll try it. I taste, then I buy. Okay, I pay. Babayaran ko naman. Salam. Salam. Hello. May kapareho tong lasa sa Pilipinas. Wait lang. Hindi ko alam, pero alam ko meron. I pay 20 rupees. Can I have plastic? 20 rupees. Yeah, it's nice. I like it. It's good with chai. Again, the name?
Thanks.
The name?
Name Bhagwan.
I remember this. If you're visiting Pakistan, Abbottabad, Pokwan, try this. Caterer to approve. Oh, let's pay na 20 daw. 20, yeah?
No, thanks.
Ah, please accept.
No.
Please accept.
No.
O, ayaw na naman tayo Shukriya. Oh, remember the guy. Thank you. Oh, ayaw na naman tayo pagbayari. It's gonna be free na naman. Ito. Okay, let's keep walking. Wait lang, I'll keep my phone somewhere. Wala, daming tao. Ang saya naman dito. That's chai, right? Uy, may nakikita na naman akong chai. Ako kainahan ko talaga yung chai na yan eh. Parang gusto ko mag-chai, pero more. Salam. Ang daming tao. Assalamualaikum. Ang dami nila. Uy, let's go. Salam. Haji, Baijan. Assalamualaikum.
सिर्फ मैदे के लिए काम करता है जिस भाई का अभी कभी मैदे में तकलीफ है इस भाई के पास आ जाइए और इस्तेमाल करो
I remember this Pokwan. It's good. Try it. The juice is juice. No, I will have to buy mango. No. Mabubusog na ako niyan. Why I took pain reliever for today's video. We were hiking for the last 2 days. Bugbugan. Puntahan lang natin yung dulo so we will know like what's there. Then if it's interesting, we keep moving. If not, we go back. Gusto ko yan yung mga tinutulak-tulak. Sabog yung kay Toretto season 2, di ba? May nagka-camera. Binadgetan. Assalamualaikum. Gwapo na ito, oh. Salam. Daming gwapo sa Pakistan, mami. Unlimited talaga. Assalamualaikum. That's the end. This is the end. Okay, we have reached the end, so we are going back. Oh, ayun, let's go. Tara, pumunta na tayo doon paano? Pabalik. Kaya sabi niya, ipakita raw natin yung ano. Okay, what we're gonna be doing, magtanong tayo ng presyo. Ano to? Tanong natin yung presyo ng mga gulay nila. Tapos, I don't know the price in the Philippines, so, but that's, you can buy, go, please. No, it's like, mami, mawalan pa to ng customer eh. How much like this? Ha? Again. Kinte tayo? 1 kg.
No, simple 8.
Ha?
80 rupees.
1 kg?
1 kilo, 8. Yep.
1 kilo, 80 rupees? Hoy, magkano lang yun? How much is that one? 1 dirham. 15 sa Pinas? 15. Let's buy something because we're disturbing them. At least let's buy something. Can I... This how much?
It is 80 rupees kilo.
We get just do. O, do, ganyan. Huwag masyadong marami. Bumili tayo kasi nang i-istorbo tayo. Tapos ibigay na lang natin mamaya sa hotel staff. O, ganon. Cabbage. Kuha tayo ng cabbage. Carrots. Yes. Do. And then, do that. Small only. Small. Yes, do. Okay, amazing. Tuwan-tuwa to. Nalilibang siya sa akin. Yung ngiti niya, nakatitig siya. That's it. Ano ba to? Repolyo? Sige na, go na yan. Nai-istorbo na namin siya. Price, how much? Up ka ng kiyahe. Tala mo to?
मेरा नाम अदयतुल्लाह
Ha?
अदयतुल्लाह
Ade?
तुल्लाह
Adetula. Oh, can you say hi? Hello, Adetula. How much? Hindi niya kwentahin mo yan. Amazing. Hello. Isa pa to. Titig na titig. Oh. Say hello. Hello. Oh. Mga titig na titig kayo. Gagi, yung ganda ko sa Pakistan, pang Miss Universe. Good. Naaaliw siya sa... Yung mga outfitan ko sa Pakistan, ang tsaka. Imagine mo, nag-dress ako dito. Shukriya. Ay, nakalimutan ko na to. Okay. Shukriya. Namimili ako. Totoo to. Legit to, ha. Hello, salam. Hoy, do you see this at Maybach? First time ko lang makakita nung something sa head na ganyan yung pagkaka... Okay? Okay ka lang? Okay yan. Ayos. I think let's have chai for 10 minutes so I can charge the microphone. So, yeah. Hoy, namimili ako, ha? Actually, wala naman akong gagawin dito, pero for the istorbo, bumili. Ay, sorry. Sorry talaga. Sorry talaga, kuya. Pasensya naman. Ay, akala ko sa akin. Binentahan ako ng asukal. Wait na, let's have chai. Salam. You want chai? Tin chai, okay? Tin chai. Yeah, okay. Here. Okay. Shukriya. No, it's okay. Inside? No. Pinaupo ko sa solo. Sabi niya, ginawa ako artista, uy. Okay, let's have chai. Let's go. CCTV, oh, hello. Assalamualaikum. Yeah, cut. I'm good, and you? Up ka na, go. Take care. Gusto niya pala makipag-usap. Philippines. You know Philippines? Philippine. You know Philippine? You know? Up ka na makahe. Sa pula. My name is Kay. Kay Torato. Nice meeting you. Kanina pa siya nakasunod. Check niyo yung clip. Gusto pala makipag-usap, o diba? For the chai is chai. Let's see if it's Kay Torato approved the chai here. I wanna sit outside sana kaso may nakaupo sa labas. So, we'll stay here na lang. The sugar, if you wanna put more, no? Gwapo mo na bumibili ng chai, shoota. Let's put more sugar. What is this? Peanut butter? What's that?
I don't know. That's not tea sugar.
It should not be there, right? Kasama ba talaga dapat yun doon? Hoy, chai! Ang walang katapusang chai ni Kay Torato. Pang ilang chai ko na to sa araw na to? Pangalawa pa lang naman. And then after eating chai again, so 3 times a day tayo, di ba? Tin chai.
That's it. 150.
150. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. If you don't mind, would you like to sit on this chair?
Sure. Pinaupo ako. Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. Pinaupo niya ako. Pinaupo niya ako.
How do you feel being here in Ahmedabad?
It's good. It's amazing. It's beautiful. Weather is nice. Food's nice. It's so clean.
And would you like to tell me the reason visiting this place?
I was in Pakistan last year.
Last year?
This is my second visit.
Okay.
Yeah, because I wanted to show to people the life of Pakistanis.
You're from China?
The Philippines. Philippine.
Philippines?
Yeah, nay China, nay.
Not China.
Philippines.
How do you feel? Have you enjoyed the tea?
Oh yeah, it's my favorite.
Favorite?
Yeah.
Anything else would you like to
I'm
eat?
okay, shukriya.
Really?
Yeah,
Don't
I'm
mind
okay.
it.
Yeah, I'm okay, shukriya.
Have you paid the bill?
Yeah, it's paid. Thank you.
Okay.
No, it's okay. It's already paid.
No, really?
It's
You
paid.
are a guest-
Shukriya. Thank you. I know.
Just at the moment.
No,
That's
it's
not-
paid. It's done.
बात भाई ना को कितने बिल कितना बड़ा है?
Kasi talaga sa Pakistan, libre lahat.
150 है ना वापस करो जी.
Shukriya.
I'll
Thank
pay
you.
the bill.
No, it's paid. It's paid.
He's returning you.
No, it's
Return
okay.
it. There.
It's paid. No, thank you. Thank you.
So what can I do for you?
Oh no, it's okay. I'm okay. I got all the assistance I needed. No, please. No.
not
I
fair.
told
You
you.
are a guest.
No, it's fair. It's okay. Thank you. No, it's okay. Thank you. Ito naman yung tao sa paligid. Daming tao, mami. Can you just say hi to my vlog?
What?
Nice meeting you. Thank you.
Okay, you may go now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi. Ay, may gulay. Yung gulay ko nakalimutan ko. Dati, binigyan ako ng okra. Yan, gulay. Yung gulay ko. Shukriya. Kakago sila sa Pakistan, no?
You from?
I am from the Philippines.
Philippines.
What are you cooking? Okay, different things.
I'm from US.
Oh, nice meeting you. How's US?
Nice to meet you too.
It's nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you too. Have a nice evening.
You too, bye-bye. Hoy, medyo madilim na but it's okay. Let's go. Thank you. Can you remind me that we need to buy mango later? Okay, maybe I will forget. How, China, Philippines. Mm. Hello. Salam, bye dyan. Bye, tika. Ano ba nangyayari dyan? Siguro ka rin sigawan. Ayun. Siguro sila ng sigaw. Yung parang nangyayari. May mga binubuhat kayo dyan. Salam. Everybody, I hope that I was able to give you like a tour of this place. So we're gonna be exploring a little bit more. Siya na naman, no? Appear mo nga, appear. Siya na naman. Saan tayo pupunta? So ayun, we're gonna explore another place now. Tapos na tayo. We're done with the local market. So let's go. Let's find another place. But yeah, we'll go back lang. This is where we first walked earlier. So let's go. Hoy, I don't know if you can see it at my back, but ayun yung mga yung mga Becky dito sa Pakistan. Salam. How are you? Fine. Can I talk to you? It's okay. It's okay. Translation. आपका नाम क्या? Can you say hi?
मेरा नाम शबो
आपका नाम क्या है? Shabo. How old are you? Ajo. How old are you?
मेरी 48.
48. You look young. Translate. You look young.
Thank you.
Okay. Shukriya. Nice meeting you. Hey, you know what I'm gonna do next? I will do my best na pumunta sa local market ng Swabi. Let's see, ipayaalaw ako ng mga patan kong kasi mga patan kong sobrang higpet. Salam. My cameraman lives here, and then he's telling me that there's like a soup that he used to go with his family. So yung soup daw na yun masarap. Itong batang to. Pinakita ko lang, Hamza, if you're watching this, this is where your family go. Ay, this is another street na, ha? So this is like a lot of clothes here, mga linen, curtains, social, tsaka mga shoes, ganon. Explore lang, mabilisan lang, cause we're heading to have our food na. May mga pa-jewelry talaga naman. Ay, alam nyo ba, mga Pakistaning lalaki, ang hilig nila maglagay ng cream sa mukha. Gustong-gusto ko talaga to. Siguro ang ganda ko pag sinuot ko to. Ay, hindi. Mas maganda to sa akin. Nakakamama Mary, no? Yeah. I like it. If possible, I will try to take you to Swabi also sa local market. If they allow me to go outside, Kasi yung mga villager ko, OA sila magprotekta lang sa akin. Malala. Salam. Bigla siyang, pag may camera, biglang smile, sir. Salam alaikum. May mga babae sa loob. Huwag na tayong pumasok. May mga babae sa loob, huwag na tayong pumasok. Oh, it's quieter here. It's more peaceful compared to the other side. Ay, parang mga electric pan, no? Bili kaya ako nito. What is this? Wait, what is this? Fan? Air cooler? Is this big?
Yes.
How much is this?
27.
27? Laki. Teka nga. Laki. 300 dirhams. Salam alaikum. Take care. Okay. How much is like this? Or
Good color, Canon companies and good quality.
but how?
Durable plastic. 36,000.
Just put ice or water?
Ice, yes. You
Ice.
decide ice or water.
Ah.
Yes. What is the circulation and then the cool.
Okay. Shukriya. 36, no?
Where do you come from?
I am from the Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah. It's my second visit in Pakistan, though.
Good.
And Abbottabad is beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you.
very much.
Let's go. There, look. In the Philippines with love. Ganito, again. Like this. Ayan, like that with Philippines with love.
Yes, you are perfect.
Wait ha, sorry. Tabi tayo, wait lang, tabi tayo. Baka maano ka. Masagasaan tayo, go. Go na, Philippines with love! love. Hi. Good. Oh, shukriya. Ayan ang mga shoesening. Assalamualaikum. Kaya hali. I just wanna know the price of this. Just curious. 3,000? Ah, mahal din pala to, no? All of this?
No, different. 1500 to start.
15, where is that? The 1,500?
This one.
Ah, why? Why is it 1,500? Ah, I see now. Yeah, I can see the quality. Can I check the 3,000, the difference? Wala lang, curious lang ako. Imagine mo sa oting ko to, no? The Pakistani, yung mga ano to, yung sikat na, hello! Kaya na pa siya nasunod, oh. What's the difference of the quality?
It's leather difference
And this?
and also a type.
Tire?
Yes.
Ah, kaya pala matibay, gawa sa
These
gulong.
two and these type.
This is what?
Tube.
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 From tires and tubes.
Tubes. Ah, okay. The recycled one. Yeah. Ah, okay. No. Oh, thank you. Ah, pinakita ko lang. Oh. Visit his shop. Totally nisarbo ko siya. Oh, if you're in Abbottabad, to my Filipino fellows here, oh, visit him. What's your name?
Ibrahim.
Oh, Ibrahim. Oh, visit Ibrahim's shop, ha? Shukriya. Pwede ba to? Tabi ka. Can I try? Ay, oo nga, gumagana siya. Good. Huwag tayo magaksaya ng water. Let's not waste the water. I just wanna check it. Gumagana pa talaga yung poso nila sa gitna ng daan. Okay. Adi, so suddenly, it's a busy street again. Let's do it. Hindi mo siya, Mami, hindi mo kaya. Kinabog tayo ni Mother Earth. I love that. Where is she going? Parang ni Becky, oh. Ay, the birds are birding. Salam. No. What? Kala mo, kalala ko sa kanto, oh. Kala mo, tropa ko lang siya sa kanto, eh. Sabi niya sa akin, oy. Where are we going? Hello? Where are we going? Ah, go straight daw kami. Go. Elegant shoes. Ganda ng weather sa Abbottabad. Abbottabad. Hello. This is where we started. Tignan mo yung tsura ng bata. Artistahin, no? Hello! Pwede naman yung batang namamalimos sa Pakistan. Salam. I'll show you my TikTok. Kay Toretto, okay? I type, me. Ako na. Ah, lumalabas ako agad. The Wi-Fi here is fast. These your colleagues? Say hi, it's okay. Say hi. No, not allowed. Sabi ko sa security, stay, ay! Bakit mo naman tinulak? Ikaw naman. Sabi ko sa security ko, makipag-banding muna siya sa mga friendship niya. Ilang araw na siyang kasama ko. Thank you, shukriya. Let's go, underground market na raw tayo. Hoy everybody, Cantonment Shopping Center. So it's like an underground market. Let's go, tara. Hoy, naano talaga ako with the cameraman. Season 2 na talaga to, no? Hi everybody, we are finally now inside of Cantonment Shopping Center. So this is underground. So we will find out if that is true. Let's go, maglakad tayo. Pakita natin ang ganda ng Abbottabad at ng kanilang underground market. Let's go. Salam. Just salam muna. Oh, let's say hi to them. Come. Just saying hi. It's okay. What's that? Show me what's that. Bigla siya may binaba. What's this? Stick for the Bigla niyang ibinaba. Okay. Shukriya, ginala. What's your name? Ahmad. Shukriya. Brothers?
Yes.
Brothers? Say mother?
Like Chachu.
Uncle. Kaya, Shukriya. Nice meeting you, Ahmad. Oh, I remember. Oh, I'm good. Salam. Uy, underground na pala to. Underground na pala yung tawag nila dito. Akala ko naman yung bababa talaga tayo. Yung gagano, hindi naman pala. Kainis naman. Hoy, nilalaro ako ng cameraman ko. Sabi niya sa akin, underground. Pero pataas naman yung nangyari. Hindi naman kami bumaba. Tumaas kami. Salam. Nakalangan pa natin sila. Assalamualaikum. Hoy, tara na. It's ano daw. Pauso to ni Hamza. Hi, Hamza is the name of my cameraman. Oh, just so you know. So ano ba to? Ba't ang bango? Smells good. What's that? Hi, everybody. I don't know if you can see it from here, but you see those like city lights, those houses? I think that's the trademark of Abbottabad. So I keep saying it because that's how I remember Abbottabad. Parang vividly, that's how I vividly remember Abbottabad. Masabi lang yung vividly kahit hindi naman talaga yun yung dapat. Kayo na ba kayo naikutan ng dalawang batang to? Ay, social. Infinix. Ayan yung magandang phone. Infinix yung magandang phone na may magandang lighting. May mga foam pala dito. What?
Where are you from?
The Philippines. Philippines. Okay.
What is your language? Bisaya? Ilocana?
Tagalog.
Tagalog?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Ikaw talaga, may pa-Bisaya, Ilocana ka pa. O, shout out sa mga Bisaya, dyan sa mga friend kong Bisaya. Shout out man sa inyo, oy. Sa mga Ilocana dyan, hello.
Yes, name is it.
I thought someone is calling me. Hi, back to the main road. Main road? Alam mo kung paano mo madidistinguish na hindi ako taga rito? Ilong. Tignan mo yung ilong. Too much busy, sir. Okay ka lang. Hi, for the record, I tried not to have security, but I had no choice this time. I was able not to have security in, in Peshawar, but here they really required me to have 124/7. And little by little, he's kind of becoming comfortable with us. Hi, we're done now with the local market. So far, I am really enjoying it. So ayun, we are heading to, this is gonna be our, next stop. We're gonna having a food daw. So, yun. Let's trust the people. Let's trust the local. They're bringing me somewhere daw na super sarap. Let's go. Tara na. Pumasok na tayo sa loob ng aming mamahaling sasakyan. Baka makaisorbo tayo, pero... Serving a little. Where's the food?
Dapat so de. 2K. 2K.
Ito yung masarap niluto. Tayo.